What's up, guys, and welcome back to 8723 Gaming. Today we are rebuilding the Pittsburgh Steelers. They did make it to the playoffs, so they are a good team, but we're gonna improve them to be an even better team. So we're just gonna upgrade all those guys. So we have salary cap on. We have everything on. But first thing first is we're going to go look at some free agents that we could maybe work off of. So cornerbacks, maybe offensive tackle, one of these two, or guard. Maybe even, let's go, this is what I do to check what we need. Quarterback, free safety, center, right tackle, left tackle. So we need offensive line, of course, free safety, which... So Minka Fitzpatrick was a free safety. He must be a strong safety. But we're gonna go ahead and go with Lil Collins. We can switch him to a center or something like that. And then we're gonna go with Taylor Lewin here too, also. And then free safety. We want to... He's actually pretty cheap. Younger and... Only 230k. 1.9 mil. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do Eric Rowe, I think. Yeah. I think it's more than most of them, but go him. Then maybe hit some trades. Where salary cap is. So, I'm planning on getting a different quarterback, because I like Kenny Pickett, but I don't think he's the answer. Maybe we could trade Jalen Warren for some, or Deontay Johnson for maybe another receiver. We're good in the tight end room, but there's Taylor. Patrick Jones is a rookie, so I think we'll try to get him upgraded. Oh yeah. Lil Collins to the center. So he will be our center, as you see there. And then Taylor Lewin will be our right tackle. Oh, they don't have 77. Anyways, so okay, so that already upgrades pretty good. What's this? I don't know. Keanu Beaton. So TJ Watt, of course. Middle line. Holy cow! We'll go. Maybe trade these two, Blake Martinez and Michael Walker. Trade away. And then maybe Eldon Roberts and try to get like our cornerback room is lacking a little bit, but because Patrick Peterson is old. Joey Porter is a guy that can develop, and so we actually had a safety that we didn't really need, but we got it anyways. And then what we need to do is go to the Super Bowl, win a Super Bowl, win at least one award with a player. That's what we need to do. So hopefully we can do that. Okay, so we picked up a pretty big trade there to add guy that we needed for actually our left in. So I'll switch him positions. Okay, added Michael Thomas, which he's old, but we're only needing him for a year. And, but, so yeah, we're only needing him for a year. And everything else is looking good. So, like I said, we need to go to the Super Bowl, win a Super Bowl, and then have one of our players win award. So let's advance to midseason. Let's go. Turn 2, we are third in our division. So we got a few upgrades. So we're gonna want to go Najee Harris. Oh, another thing we want to do is go to our staff and change some stuff. Change some stuff around, make make some guys. What am I trying to say here? Make some guys, trade so we have perfect, scheme. So, zone, now he's up to an 80. Jordan Love, field general. Strong arm, let's see a strong 77 now. Rookie Keandre Beaton, he's to a 76 now. Broderick Jones, let's get him up. 75. So an upgrade. Oh, so yeah, like I said before, too. We'll go this one. Okay. In yellow and orange. So. See what if any of our guys are up here. Looks like none of them are there, none of them are in the running back, no receiver, no sack, no interceptions, and no tackles. Kinda sucks. Let's advance to the playoffs. This is a big part. Okay, so we missed the playoffs. We went 9-8. Missed the playoffs, so that's not good. We'll be playing another year, though. To upgrade some players. See if anyone at least can get into... Let's try to get... What we're gonna try to do is what am I saying here? Try to make or just see if we can win an award at least. He's up to an 81, it looks like. So a star. That's what his development is. What else we're gonna wanna 78 overall. Keandre Beaton. Let's go 77 overall. He's just normal. I thought he had a hidden div, but I guess not. 76 Quan Alexander. Them to get upgraded. But yeah, so we'll be playing for another year. Looks like our guys made it. Here's no sacks, no receptions, no tackles. So we probably didn't make it any. And we did not win anything, so that kinda sucks. Upgrade some players. Let's go re-sign some players. So basically, we have 45 million cap I don't know about Taylor. I don't know. Go on. See any important people that. Okay, so. Maybe do him. Okay, so we're gonna resign him. Taylor, we're gonna leave Eric Rowe. We're gonna get him. If we can get him for this, we're gonna. Okay, so he's staying. Quan. He's only 30. We'll take him. And then take him. Oh, no, never mind. He said nope. But, alright. We'll probably try to draft right tackle in the draft. But, which we're gonna choose draft class. That's someone from. No. It's not gonna let me, is it? Yeah, sometimes this thing likes to suck. So, let's go. Because, wait, I mean, right tackle is the thing that. Yeah, so there's some people up there that's. Right end. Oh, I'm sure what's his name retired. Patrick Peterson might have retired too. But let's see what we can get. Of course, right tackle is what we're looking for. Or no, we'll draft right tackle on the. So wait, who's? Where does it? Oh, it doesn't say the guys that we have. Does it? Because definitely always 33. Actually, we don't want him. Jerry Sneed would be a big signing. Like, we will throw this at him. And then just not throw very much. Not do anything too crazy with these guys. He's young, so we gotta at least try to throw something at him. And right tackle. We'll see if something's left too. Maybe him? Ram is younger actually. He's only 1 year younger. But he wants to sign with us more, so. Okay, so we'll go. That's all we're gonna try for this week. Advance. Did we get anyone? Oh wait, it doesn't tell you until the end, I don't think. Oh, we got Jerry Sneed, so that's big. But it looks like what's his name went somewhere. The offensive lines we targeted. Well, the offensive lineman, which was, oh yeah. try to get maybe throw that at him. And we lost that one dude. So, which we might just try to get again in a draft. None of these make sense for us. Maybe throw some AJ Spencer. Okay, never mind. We got Isaiah win, so that's big. Wait, does that mean? Oh yeah. Okay, so now we want to go to our roster so we can switch that guy around. Boom, boom. Got Isaiah win. Now let's start the NFL draft. Start drafting. Skip it in the draft. Advance to next pick. Boom. Oh wait, advance. Wait. Do we have a? Oh yeah, we do have a first round pick. Big player. So what are we looking at? I think we decided on a right end, right? Or yeah. So I want to get right here. That's a right end. No. We got a right tackle, right guard, left guard, center. I don't know. So I'm thinking we gotta go right in, but it doesn't look like they really have anyone good at the right end. Maybe him, or maybe we go there and switch. We could switch this guy to a right end. He's like a B to D, but he seems like he could be better. So let's draft the player. He's only a normal. That sucks. That's not good. I don't even know. Maybe we could go receiver. Free safety. We could go him because we kind of need a free safety. And he's only a normal. Well, I'm gonna be done drafting, so. Okay, so let's go ahead and advance. Well, let's see if we got anyone good in the. Sorry guys, I'm looking at that. Okay, so he's a 73 overall. Our free safety 75. So we got this receiver for 74 overall. But yeah, nothing too big. Okay, so let's advance. So we're gonna look at our roster. Don't worry about any trades, just go. So of course we had Jordan Love, the quarterback. Oh, we went down to 75. That's not good. And Najee. Take Jonathan, George Pickens, Michael Thomas, Kevin Austin. There's that Dion Bayless from Boise State. Got a good offensive line. Of course, Carl Granderson's there. Yeah, we need a right end bad. I don't even know where our rookie right end went. Well, this is him. Okay, so we gotta look at some free agents for right end. Oh yeah, we were gonna try to switch that one guy to right end. Like, I don't know. Randy, oh, he's 31 actually. I was looking, he was young. We know Nick Nyakwe. We'll sign him. But that's definitely a position we need to work on. In a position we are lacking in. Like, we can't get to the Super Bowl with Jordan Love needs to do something big. And he needs to do it fast because he went down like 2 overall. Okay, upgrade players. One big to upgrade. I guess we're just gonna have the hope for the best here. We're actually spin some of these things. No, actually, boost catching. So we're gonna do that twice, actually. Boost Gary boost. Fancy footwork. Boom bat. Okay, no defensive. Tackle, yes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, yes. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, we can do that. Oh, actually, we can't do that twice. Yes, boom. Oh, we can do this twice. And then, yes, in the clutch boost tackle for boost press for 1 by 1, yes. Boom, hands on. We definitely need to boost up for yes, boom. Defense. I don't think that really mattered, but anyways. advance to mid-season. Okay, we're back. We're 6-0. Let's go, boys. We're not gonna focus on signing players back because, well, we're not gonna be playing next week or next year. So let's boost his zone up some more. He's at 87 now. Let's go. And then let's go Najee Harris. Look at my 86 power back. A superstar, you know. George Pickens, we need to create a playmaker of a guy. Still an 80s, or oh yeah, he went up. He's 86 overall. Now, Joey Porter, lock in the slot receiver. Slot corner, which he's actually not a slot corner, but I know this is the guy that we have to do. And so he's back up to a 76. And let's go pass protector. Darnell Washington one. Fucking dude, this guy's like 6'7" or something. Maybe be doing that, yeah, 6'7". Was this our rookie? This is our rookie. Which we got him to be our one guy to be our our right end, but he's just not good enough to be our right end yet. We got Yannick Ngakoue for our right end, but what we do want to do, I was gonna see, we might put him up behind TJ Watt. Which, I guess, I don't know, maybe he's getting the same amount of snaps. Put him behind TJ Watt. Hopefully TJ Watt is getting some sacks this year because that's what we need for him to get like 20 sacks. That would be chill, huh? So nothing's up there for any of our guys, it looks like again. Oh, TJ Watt is up the second sacks. But yeah, other than that, none of our guys are up there really. So I'm gonna go kind of lost because I really need to upgrade Jordan Love some more. This is our rookie wide receiver, which he goes up to a 75. He looks old as crap. Yannick Ngakoue, which is a huge upgrade for us, but we didn't go up at all. But we're gonna advance one more week. We lost again, so maybe let's just advance it into the Keanu Bean. Power rusher, yep. So he's a 78 now. Keelan Flowers, which is our rookie. So he is a 76 overall now. So yeah, let's just advance to the playoffs. Hopefully we can win some games and go like we did last time. Okay, we made it into the wild card round. We are third in our division. We're playing against the Patriots, 14-3 Patriots, which is random because they are not that good. TJ Watt, absolutely, we need to get him an upgrade. He's a 99 overall player now. Ty Smith, I'm gonna upgrade every player we have on here, unless he's like a 60 overall. If he's 69, it will do it, but to make him a 70, but if he's not, then I don't really care to upgrade him. Because we're going to need everything to beat the Patriots, especially that they're 14-3. Which I'm a Patriots fan, but I'm dissing on the Patriots because they are not a 14-3 team unless they did something great in the last 2 years. James Daniels, get the pass protecting in there. Gotta do Jordan Love first. Make that improviser. Boom. So he is a 77 now. Hopefully that's a guy that can lead us to the Super Bowl. Boom. 77 left tackle. Kelvin Austin. This is 74 now, our rookie, right outside linebacker. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for now. So looks like TJ Watt finished second in sacks, but not enough to get us Defensive Player of the Year. Looks like no one really went up there. Anything, so we probably won't win an award, which is sad. But please, guys, we gotta win this. They have Chase Young, that's why they're good. But please, we need to win. Let's go, we won. But we are playing against the 15-2 Patriots, which is gonna be hard. 15-2 Chiefs, which is gonna be hard. And we got an injury, and Joey Porter. Let's get him upgraded. Because we are going to need him. We need this guy, which is a 70 overall. I don't know why we're going to need him, but we're going to need him. He's a rookie. Well, we're going to need every guy to play good. Hopefully this is not a big injury. And it's our left guard. And our Cole Holmgren's out, and Carl Granderson is out. So all starters. That's not good. We need a win here, boys. Please, guys, please. We need a win against the Chiefs. Let's go. We won. We are in the AFC Championship game. Alright. Hybrid is a 77. Come on, guys. We need this win against the Bengals, our division rival, which they are 11-6. Our division, they're ahead in they won our division. Let's look at weekly awards real quick. Ooh, TJ Watt 3 sacks. Too bad he couldn't have done that the last game, so we would have been the sack leader. But please let us get this win. Come on, we need this win. We need this win. Especially against the Bengals. Let's go. We're on to the Super Bowl, boys. We made the Super Bowl. Congratulations. We made the Super Bowl. we need to win the Super Bowl very badly. What's our weekly awards? Jordan Love balling out. Let's go. Great players. Oh, boys. This is big for us. We need to win this game. Okay. It is all up to this moment right here. Come on, boys. Let's upgrade the players. We need to upgrade every single player. Looks like Alex Highsmith got a X Factor. Pat Fairmouth is a 90 overall now. He's got a lot of upgrades too. Deontay Johnson, deep threat. He's 86 still, or it went up to an 86. It was an 85. Let's go slot. He's an 80 overall. Patrick Peterson. So he like went back up to what he was last year. He was 34 too. It's crazy. So hoping we get an upgrade with Jordan Love, but that's alright. Come on, boys, we need this win. Really bad. In the Super Bowl against the Panthers. Let's go. Let's go. Oops. Please, let's go. Please. We need this win. Come on, please. No, we lost. No. I'm sure we didn't win any awards because it didn't tell us we won any awards. That usually always says. The ESPN notification if you win an award. That sucks. I mean, at least we made the Super Bowl. We achieved one out of our 2 goals. But oh, we had TJ Watt as the Defensive Player of the Year. We have won 2 out of the 3 awards. Let's go, boys. And thank you guys for watching. I know it might kind of be a long video, but we have upgraded the Steelers to become a Super Bowl eligible team. Not a Super Bowl winning team, but a Super Bowl eligible team. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.